Welcome to Bike Zone Pro, your go-to channel for the latest updates on two-wheelers. Today, we're diving into the much-anticipated Jio Electric Cycle 2025, a product that promises to revolutionize urban commuting. Is this cycle worth the hype? Let's find out. Design and build. Jio's electric cycle boasts a sleek, modern design with a lightweight aluminum frame, making it both durable and easy to handle. The ergonomic seat and adjustable handlebars ensure a comfortable ride, while the integrated LED lights add to safety during night rides. Battery and performance. Powered by a high-efficiency lithium-ion battery, the Jio Electric Cycle offers an impressive range of 50 to 70 kilometers per charge, depending on riding conditions. With a top speed of 25 kilometers per hour, it is perfect for daily commutes and eco-friendly travel. The battery takes around 3 to 4 hours to fully charge, making it convenient for regular use. Smart features. One of the standout aspects of this cycle is its smart connectivity. Jio has integrated IoT features, allowing users to track battery status, ride statistics, and even locate their cycle via a dedicated mobile app. Bluetooth and GPS connectivity further enhance security and usability. Pricing and availability. Jio is expected to launch this e-cycle at an incredibly competitive price, making it affordable for a wide audience. While official pricing is yet to be confirmed, early leaks suggest it could be around 20,000 Indian rupees to 30,000 Indian rupees, making it one of the most budget-friendly electric cycles in India. Final verdict. With its smart technology, eco-friendly design, and budget-friendly pricing, the Jio Electric Cycle 2025 is set to be a game-changer in the urban commuting space. If you're looking for an affordable yet feature-packed electric cycle, this might be the perfect option for you. Stay tuned to Bike Zone Pro for more updates, and don't forget to subscribe for the latest two-wheeler news. See you in the next video.